Greetings, traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel. I'm waiting for the land of rising sun. I want to bring you the weekly Elliott Wave analysis, advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis, as I do every time, every week. Last week, the market had been so quiet this month, but last week we saw some good movements. Those who can follow me well can catch some pips. Then maybe next month to be a great month for volatility. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, there are scammers roaming around, making promises to do this, to do that. They will drop a link. If you see them, ignore them, because if you join them, they will lure you to their scam site and scam you. It's happened to so many people. To trade is not easy. To make money trading is not easy. You require skill to do that. I have students under me. If you are willing to join them, I don't charge you much. Little money you will pay. The money you lose trading on your own without the proper knowledge is much better that you spend little money and learn before you begin to trade. Okay, having said it, so let's continue. Like, share, subscribe, share with your friends. You might be helping somebody. I have trading channel, a free one. You can join anytime, any day. It's free. You can only pay when you want to join the VIP group. Okay, let's start. DXY. DXY, as I said last week or previous weeks, that I'm expecting either a running flat or an expanding flat. If it ends below this peak, is a running flat. If it goes above it, then it's become expanding flat. That is for wave B. So for now, you can't forecast an expanding flat or running flat. You keep watching the market to know how it goes. So it is going up, as you can see. I'm waiting for reversal. Meanwhile, if you didn't enter buy, if you didn't enter buy from here, forget it. Wait for reversal for sale, because buy will soon end. It must have even ended here. Then it begins to drop. I'm now looking for sell. Maybe the two move up, the selling will start. USD, the same situation. It is always opposite of DXY. So, but maybe some can. As you can see, this is also looking for either running flat or expanding flat. So I'm looking for reversal. I'm looking for buy on EURUSD. The market is still going down, but I don't see it going much lower. So for now, I'm looking for my buy setup. No more selling for now. Even if it keeps dropping, I will ignore it, because I know that the better thing to do now is to buy, because that's where we get much profit. USDCAD. Let's see daily also. USDCAD, this is correction. Last week or 2 weeks ago, because it didn't get to the proper reversal zone, I was thinking it will likely do something like this before going up. But having moved this much, I'm no longer expecting a new low. So looking for new low is now ruled out. So what I'm looking for now, I'm just looking for a correction, something like this. I don't know when it will start, but it's going to happen. Then a new move up. Market doesn't go one direction. It has been going up. So sometimes you might get a sharp reversal or a little reversal. I don't know, but we will get correction before it continues to buy. So that's something is sure that to happen in every trading. So now Having said this, the buying can continue, but I'm no longer interested in buying because I don't see it. I don't see much buying again. I'm looking for a correction. Maybe something like this in the opposite direction. Okay, so that's for USDCAD, USDHF, USDHF. I'm looking for a drop. It's going up gradually. I'm looking for a drop. Those who trade the other block, SMC, you have an other block here, you have other block here, are not good on SMC. I focus on Elliott Wave, but they are all technical analysis. So any of them can be useful. So, but I know last week I said that I'm expecting a reversal, that it can happen at this trend line, or it can break it. I remember I said it. So now this is my zone. This is my zone for selling. So it's not just for you. It's not just for you to figure out when we get sales setup. If you don't know what sales setup is, I advise you to join my VIP group where my students learn everything I do here. If you join my students before 6 months, 1 year, if you are fast, you'll be able to do what I'm doing. It's not easy to do, but once you begin to learn it, you're learning, because once you see a pattern, once you will be able to recognize a pattern, you have achieved that. Whenever you see pattern again, you will know. Okay, pounds USD. Pounds USD. The selling, let me go to daily. I think the selling is, we still have time, much selling. So the selling is still going down. I think we still have much dropping. But you know, it's going to be going straight forward. We will likely get some move up as correction before the dropping continues. So maybe we might get a move towards this level. Let me remove this. You might get, okay, you might get something like this, a move like this before the dropping, or it may just drop, then move again and drop. The selling is not yet over on pounds USD. AUDUSD. AUDUSD. This one is simple to do. Wave 4 has ended here. Wave 5 is dropping. So I don't know. It is a good trade. Mostly when you go down to 1 hour, you can know that it is a good trade. It is a good trade. You can still catch up some meaningful pips before. If you want to sell this, once it goes below this point, below 63644, move to you're supposed to break even to avoid the loss, because it can reverse in a moment. It can make a sharp reversal. For instance, we have so many sharp reversals. This is sharp reversal. Something of this nature can occur there. This is not too sharp, but some of this nature can occur below this place. So view of sharp reversal, when the price goes below this zone, we are price to stop to break even. Using the USD. Using the USD, what do we have? Let's check daily. The reverse, this seems to be complete, but sometimes we have extension. Oh, sorry, you still have some move down. Not to complete, please. Don't mind the trend line. Okay, you know, sometimes trend line will support, sometimes it will not. So the proper reversal price is 0.5857. So now it's still dropping. So we go to 4 hours to see what is happening there. And 4 hours, we can see we have a channel here on 4 hours. We have a channel, and the dropping, it has already made a new low. But AUDUSD is set to make a new low. So the dropping can go to 5854 or even 581, 582, 580. So the drop is not yet over. But I don't think selling from here, to me, selling from here is not encouraging. Unless on 1 hour or 15 minutes. If you trade 15 minutes, I don't trade that. I trade 1 hour. Now, the only thing that makes me to sell is if I get something like running flat, I can sell. Or if I get an expanding flat from here, something like this, then I can sell. But if it keeps dropping from here, I will ignore, because it can turn from this zone. It can turn here and begin to go up. Okay, so that's for USD. JB225. JB225, one of the best trades for the past 2 weeks, and many more weeks ago. Okay, so this is the daily chart. Okay, let me go to 4 hours. I show you this. I show you that this pair will drop to this zone. And I say always, market don't move in a straight line. It will keep going up and down, and it will have a direction. So now, it didn't get to our target. Then it is correcting. Now, what's next to do? I think let me go to 1 hour to show you, in case if you're trading this, what we do. If you're trading this pair, know that this is correction. It is sharp, but it is correction, and it's broken. Now, what next? We can have an A, B, C, which we see the price come up to this zone. Then the drop is coming. So this is one of the best trades we can take this time around. Okay, so I don't see this market going up to make a new high now, or making a big A, B, C. It's possible, but I don't see it happening. Maybe I can say the probability is 10% against 90%. So 90%, it will turn around here and go down. 10%, it will make a new high before going down. So now, for me, when I enter the trade, here will be my stop loss. If it goes above it, I'll take the loss and prepare for the next trade. If you are trading and you're afraid of losing, you are making a mistake, you can lose, but don't lose carelessly. Don't trade carelessly. Why you should lose that? Sometimes, after your analysis, the market will behave in a strange manner. Remember, nobody controls the market. That's one of the reasons. If somebody is making you some crazy promises, beware, because there might be scammers. If making money is that easy, as some people we promise, join my channel, you make 5,000 tips a week. If he or she is making that crazy money, why is he trying to lure you into his, begging you to subscribe to his channel and pay him $100 or $500? I don't do that. I don't give signal. I will teach you. I will pay for the knowledge I give you. Then after learning, if making 1 million pips in a week is possible, then you see it. I pity newbies in trading, because newbies will always fall into their trap. Okay, EURJPY. EURJPY. What do we have? We have with A, with A, B, C, with B. So now I expect with B to move higher into this zone. Unless it will truncate. if it truncates from here, anyway, if I see a setup around this zone, I will sell. But I think it will do this before dropping. So there's nothing much to explain on EURJPY. USDJPY. Among all the yen pairs, USDJPY have been the strongest. Let me show you daily. Here again, I spotted other blocks. For those who are good in other blocks, we have other blocks here, which the price is here already. If it will reverse, it means that this one is the one where it's reversed, or it may still go up. We have other blocks here. So my advice is that if you want to sell, I mean, buying USDJPY from here is not advisable. The best place to buy was here, 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 here. For those who understand setup, here is also good. Here is good. If you go down about the 4-hour time frame, but buying it at the moment is risky because it is at a reversal zone. It can reverse from here. It can go a little up and begin to go down. So I advise you to stay away from trading it until you get sell setup. So looking at it is going up, but it is getting tired already. It's getting tired already. After it has broken this channel, after this break of this channel, we are correcting. We will likely get something like this, or we may get something sharp, something similar to this. Can still happen. Okay, so I don't know which one, but buying it from this zone is risky to my own view. To my own view, it's risky to buy it from this zone. Another reason is that this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, running flat, wave 4, and this is wave 5. Maybe the wave 5 can extend. Wave 5 can make any pattern. It can do this, and end, giving us ending diagonal before dropping. So that's why it's risky to buy from here. We can still make little money, but I don't encourage buying from there. So let's move on. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, what do we have? I think it's a simple one. The correction is simple. We have gotten the first phase of correction. This is the second one is about to complete. After that, it will drop. So look for set it up on pounds JPY. I don't know what else to tell you. Look for set it up. Now, I don't know whether it will make a running flat or expanding flat, but I can see that it is making flat. It's making flat. So whether it will be running flat somewhere here and down, or expanding flat somewhere deeper in this box and drop, market will decide. But selling is not, is still on correction. Gold. Gold is somehow towards the week or lower time frame. Gold is somehow crazy in movement. Gold and silver. Remember, this is my bias for a long time. I said that gold will likely go below 1800, or at least 1840. Well, last week I said that maybe 1840, 1820, or even 1800, below 1800. So I see that is still my bias on gold. Now, the little problem I have is that gold has made a move up, but I would not like to trade that 8.2 as correction and begin to go down. It can happen, but the reason I don't like to trade the reason I don't like to trade shallow correction is that you may be expecting it to drop. It will do something like this and go up again to give you the normal correction. So I will not sell gold again until I see a big correction, at least 50% zone or 61, 50 or 61 before I sell gold. Sorry, before I buy gold. Before I sell gold again. Anyway, so selling from here is possible, but if you sell from here, I will miss it. Maybe when here is broken, I will look for sell setup below this place. But selling from here can be tricky. It can drop, go up sharp, and kill your stop loss before going down. Silver is making what kind of funny patterns this time around. For those who know technical analysis, if you look at silver, you will see what's happened here is similar to what's happened here in a lower degree. So what does that tell you? I know that I'm expecting something like this again to happen here. That's technical. That's why technical is good. You always see the possibility, and most of the time it will happen. So expect something like this again to happen. Now, one thing again is that here is other block. Here again is an other block. Remember, I don't trade other blocks. I'm not good at that, but I'll make time and learn it because no knowledge is a waste. Yes, I know that Elliott Wave is the best. Harmonics is good. Other block is good. If I know it, sometimes it will also help me. So we have other block here, other block here. So expect a drop either from here or we can go up and drop from here. Market will decide, not me. Okay. Platinum. Platinum last week, last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, I said expect expanding flat. And exactly is happening now. So this wave B is making another expanding flat. I mean the 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 4 of this wave C is making an expanding flat. So now, what does that mean? The market is going up, but it won't go up from here. No, it will go up maybe either it make come to this zone to make expanding flat and drop, or maybe to make another pattern, something like this, and drop. So now, what next is either you wait for it to trade from the top down, or in fact, I don't like selling from here because we also have other block which has also reached, or maybe it will go up, turn from this other block, or it may entirely go up to give us the expected expanding flat. I don't know. So when our market is in this situation, if you don't have much knowledge to do it, you go lower to down to lower. You go down to lower time frame, like 1 hour. So 1 hour you can see sharp move down, sharp move up. So this type of situation is difficult to trade because no proper correction. So for now, I will trade if I see set up around below this place. I will trade. I will sell. If I see a buy set up around this place, I will buy. But if I buy, I'll be sharp, fast to close. Okay. US oil. US oil, what do we have? Daily. Daily US oil have started to sell. I mean, the selling is correction anyway. This might be ABC. This can also be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, maybe ABC, wave 4, then 5 somewhere before we get a big ABC. So for now, let's focus on what we have at hand. 4 hours and 1 hour will tell us what to do. 4 hours, we can see we have the market is going down in a kind of ABC. So now, this is with A on oil. Then A, B, C. With B, it can either give us running flat and go down from here, or it gives us expanding flat and go down from here. Then from this zone, we look for either buy or maybe correction and sell again. So first of all, let's focus on what will happen this place. Okay, US 100. NASDAQ daily. Okay, NASDAQ is still making correction. So is he making correction? I know. So what we have here, I think we will, 2 things or 3 things is possible here. We may have triangle as with B. This is one possibility. We get a move like this, 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 then move down. This is another possibility that this wave 4 might be here. That's another possibility. Then another one is that we can just get small correction from here and drop. So with A, with B, with C. The third one is that we can get a big correction as A, B, C as with B. Then this with B will be here. Then it will drop. So it calls for caution. You know, whenever market becomes so technical, if you don't have the knowledge, you look for that pair to trade. There are so many pairs to trade. SP 500. SP 500. The same is, this one is simple. Just look for a move up to give us A, B, C inside B and then sell. So nothing much to sell from here. Look for sell setup above 4491. Around 449, 448, 449. Look for sell setup there. US starting. US starting. This wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a perfect wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then look for A, B, C. So I'm looking for sell above, around this zone. 35,000, 34,800. From this zone, I look for sell. Simple. Okay. I will also squeeze cryptos here. I won't do. I'll not do 2 videos today. Please pardon me. I will not do two videos today. Please pardon me. For those who do the cryptos, there's nothing much to say on cryptos. So let me squeeze it in here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. You can see this diagram was made last week. I visited. So Bitcoin is so consolidating. Nothing much to explain. I think okay now. Oh, it has entered the zone. This is the zone I said it will likely turn from. Now I can see it can still move up and go deeper into this zone. So Bitcoin can visit 25,000, 24,000, 23,400, 23,800, 27 before going up. So on this note, we will get a better insight on what time frame. Let's see 4 hours. Internet, slow internet, pardon me. Now, for those who understand wave count, it seems we are getting 5 waves from here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4. So now wave 5 can make an ending diagonal. I don't know, but it seems we're going to get ending diagonal as wave 5. After that, sharp move. I don't know how to explain it, but what I can see is like we get ending diagonal as wave 5. Then it will be maybe wave A. Anyway, you can't understand. So this one has played its role. Let me remove it. So watch out for what happens here. So we may get price going between this channel before it eventually goes up. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. Ethereum. All the coins dropped because Bitcoin carries all of them. Ethereum, just as I reported that last week, that we still get a drop on Ethereum. The drop is dropping gradually. You know, I said that here is our reversal zone. 151, 15.6, 1490, 1440, even 1390. So Ethereum will likely drop to this zone before it begins to buy. So I don't think, not be in a haste to buy. That's my advice. Not only on Bitcoin, but on Ethereum as well. Because you may get something like this, then a drop. Okay, so wait for more drop before you look for buy. Because this is our reversal zone. Here is our reversal zone. You can see 1490, 1480, 1493, and so on. So wait for the reversal, proper reversal zone. It can ignore it. It can truncate and go up, but it's better you miss the trade that you lose the trade. SRP. The same situation. We are looking to know what will happen. The drop is still possible before going up. So it's cause for caution. BNB. Oh, BNB has gotten to our reversal zone and reversed. Technical analysis is the best. I didn't visit this chart since last Saturday, but I draw this. So it's entered the reversal zone and reversed. So now, if you want to buy any coin, let me tell you what to do. Watch out for BNB. BNB, I can say we will get a buy around here, around 209, 210, and it will go much higher. So the only coin I can buy now is BNB, no other coin. BNB is the only coin I can buy now. Anyway, those I have checked, let me check Litecoin anyway. Let me know what that coin is. Litecoin, no buy yet. Expect a further drop. I don't see reason to buy Litecoin. So CRO can buy. We will get this on CRO. Okay, that's the end of the video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, share it on your social media handles. You might be helping somebody by sharing it. Then remember, you can join my Telegram channels. They are free. The link is at the bio of this video. Join my WhatsApp channel. Though I hardly go to WhatsApp. Please pardon me. WhatsApp, I hardly go to WhatsApp. I don't know. I focus more. I focus more on Telegram. So join both. I share chats, tops there every now and then. Then if you want to learn from me, you message me. My phone number is there. The number is connected to WhatsApp and Telegram. You chat me up. I add you to the student group. Thank you for watching and God bless you.